G'day everyone, Ian Fegan here, also known as Professor Shoelace. Today's video is about hiking biking lacing. This strange looking lacing with horizontal sections on the inside, vertical sections on the outside, and the knots positioned at the side. The reason for the knot positioning is to position them on the inside for hiking and biking, for hiking where the scrub and undergrowth will be at the sides and you won't get the knots caught in the twigs and branches and so forth. Likewise, if you lace in reverse and keep the knots towards the outside, that's great for bicycling where it keeps them away from the bicycle chains and cranks and such. Getting shoelaces caught in bicycle chains is a real disaster. Okay, that's what the lacing looks like. Let's see how it's laced. I'll just show it to you on my Ian's Shoelace site, which if I animate, you'll see that laces go 2 segments at a time. We've got 2 of them running straight across, up, across, and tied at the side. Now, let's see how that's laced on a real shoe. I've started with the lacing already running straight across the bottom segment and out through both bottom eyelets. Now we'll take one end and run straight up the outside, in through the next higher eyelet, and straight across the inside and out through the adjacent eyelet. Now we've got both ends at the same side, and the idea is that we run both of them straight up, across, and if you've got a boot with more eyelets, obviously you can keep going up and across for as many as you need. Now we'll take the lower of the 2 ends, the one coming out the bottom eyelet, and we'll go up 2 eyelets and in through the first vacant eyelet. Then straight across the inside and out through the adjacent eyelet. Again, we run up 2 and in, straight across and out. Now here we once again go straight up, straight across, straight up and straight across. Now with the ends meeting at the side, we can tie our shoelace knot. I'm tying it with my Ian knot, the world's fastest shoelace knot. And that's it. That's hiking, biking, lacing. Now you notice that the ends are quite a bit longer than they would be on a shoe with crisscross lacing. And the reason is that this uses 2 lace segments per pair of eyelets, whereas this only uses a single lace segment per pair of eyelets. And the second downside of that is that this lacing only really works on shoes with an even number of eyelet pairs, because it has to go across and back, across and back. If you use it on a shoe with, say, 7 eyelet pairs, you'll end up with this strange situation. Like, this is actually straight bar lacing, but the same rule applies, where when the lace segments end, you end up with both of them at the same side, and you can't tie that. So I've got a few workarounds on my website, which if I whiz down to those quickly, see, battery's running low. I won't go into any great detail, but suffice to say that you can use a diagonal segment or a crossover, various different workarounds to get this to work on a shoe with an odd number of eyelet pairs. Anyway, that's it. That's hiking, biking, lacing. Another advantage I should quickly mention is that besides these straight segments distributing the pressure evenly, it actually allows the shoe sides to sort of open up more easily, which is great. It gives you extra flexibility when you're hiking, especially. So anyway, that's hiking, biking, lacing. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you want more information, instructions, diagrams, animations, you name it, you can go to Ian's Shoelace site.